This is difficult and it is dangerous, and I'm quite sure some of you will want to clap or even cheer me on, but do me a favor, hold your horses. That means you don't clap yet until I'm up there safe and sound. Okay? Good. But before I do this dangerous act, I want to perform one more magic because I love magic, and I'm sure many of you do as well. Alright, everyone, I've got over here 3 groups, as you can see, represented by the color yellow, blue, and red. Once again, yellow, blue, and red. Now I'm going to do something even more magical than what I did just now. I am going to join them very quickly. How quickly? This quick. And then they are now joined to one another. You should be clapping. This is magic. Oh yeah. And as quickly as I can join them, I can also delink them. What do I mean by delink? Well, as you can see, they are all entangled. They are joined to one another. So I'm going to separate them. I am going to delink them. And how about do I do that? I just simply do what I did just now. And then they are now separated. Thank you once again for your kind applause, everybody. If you think this is awesome, you ain't see nothing yet, because as mentioned, I will be standing on top here, balance and then juggle. And to make the show even more exciting, I am going to be standing not just on one level, but also on a second level. You should be saying, woohoo! Thank you, you are my inspiration. Welcome to my show. Alright, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, for your entertainment, I am willing to risk my limbs and my life. Thank you, boy. Here I go. Thank you, girl. 1, 2, 2.5. Or maybe everybody. Thank you. You can clap for me first. Thank you very much. At least I know I'm not doing this all by myself. I've got your support, your financial support. Thank you. I got the implication. Alright, serious stuff, folks. The gist of the show you have been patiently waiting for. Without further ado, here it comes. Oh boy. Okay, that was level number 1 effort. So far so good. And I will build level number 2 only when I am more stable. It may take about 1 hour. Hey, the rest of you are supposed to be laughing as well. Relax, I was only joking. Don't be so uptight. I can do it, okay? Alright, bucket number 1. Down it goes. Steady, steady. Yes. Yes. I hope I don't kick the bucket. Nobody seems to get that joke except 1 or 2. Everybody is really nervous, eh? Me too, but the show must go on. So bucket number 2, down it goes as well. Oh boy, this is scary, man. I will do it nevertheless. Yes, almost there, just a bit more. Come on, it has to go in. Yes, I think I'm in. Steady, steady. Yes, 80% perhaps. And now, the most difficult part of the show, to climb onto the second level. Whoa, wow, Python. Okay, here we go, folks. Steady, steady. Come on. That was one small step for man. I can do it. Steady. One giant leap for mankind. Hold on. Hang on, please. I'm not there yet. Almost though, almost. Thanks anyway. Trying to get my balance. Steady. You may clap together now. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, before I execute the final act of my show, which is juggling on this unstable ground, there is something I want to talk about which actually I'm quite shy to even mention. It's about the box in front of all of us. It's about the money. Well, as you can see, what I am doing is providing entertainment on the streets for a living. It is a tough job though. Please don't just simply turn and then walk away. Spare a thought or two for the hard work put into this show. Step forward, drop something inside. Okay? Good. Alright, moment of truth. 10 years in the making. 10 years of no social life. Here it comes. Oh boy. Hey, Cleveland. Thank you. Thank you very much, everybody. And this kind of marks the end of my show. You know what? You have been a wonderful audience. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Have a good week ahead. God bless you. And God bless me as I jump. Or maybe not, it's dangerous. Thank you. Thank you. You may now step forward. Your appreciation in notes especially is most appreciated. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a lovely evening. Cheers. Thank you.